Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Online shopping system. Next we discuss about abstract. Shopping cart is a very important feature used in e-commerce to assist people making purchase online shopping cart. The primary goal of a shopping system is to sell goods and services online. Shopping system is a fast gaining ground as an accepted and used business patterns. Shopping cart is a very important feature used in shopping system to assist people making purchase any products online. This project deals with developing and shopping system website for online different types of products. It provides the user with a catalog of different types of products available for purchase in the store. In order to facilitate online purchase, a shopping cart is provided to the user. Private customer and business customers can order the selected products of the shopping cart services online quickly and comfortably. Target groups of customers of the shopping cart are huge. In order to use the load writing procedure, the customer registers itself and receives a login for its purchase name. It is an internet application. Users of the system. Customer is a users of the system. Administrator of the website is a super user. This site contains an online catalog for the user. User has to log in to welcome page before ordering anything. Login functionality should check the authenticity of the user from the database. Next, discuss about flow diagram. Start, user, then view products, login, customer registration, add to cart, booking products. Admin module, then login, add product, view products, view all orders, view pending orders, view delivery orders, and view customers. First, start the user module, then first view product, the page where the users can view the products. Next, login page, then login page where the registration users will log in the page to the view. Customer registrations, who you enter the new user, then customer register the name, username, email ID, password, and the phone number should be registered the customers. And next, add to cart, the page where the users can add to the cart in the product list. Next, booking order, the product where the user can order to the project. Next, admin module. The admin is a super user of the website who can register the customer details on the website. Login page, the page where the register users will log into the page, access to the dashboard page. Next, add products, the page where the admin can add the products. View products, the page where the admin can view the products. Next, view all the orders, this page where the admin can view the all orders of the customers. Next, pending of products, the page where the admin can update the pending products to the dashboard. Delivery products, where the admin can deliver the products to the customers. This page where the admin can view the customers list.
Next, we discuss about running video. This is our project online shopping system. Index.jsp, this is our first page, and then right click, run file. This is open localhost, is a web application. This is our first page, home, products, customer login, customer register, and admin login. If you add item, then add the my cart. If our first page, second, products. If you see our all products, if you buy, then click the add to cart. Are you sure do you want to add this item in cart? If you click the OK and then enter your details, new user, then click create an account. If create your user informations, your name, enter your username and email ID, com, and then enter your password. If you show them, enter your phone number, and then if you click male or female, and then enter your address, and then enter pin code, and then click register. Your customer registers successfully. Then click the customer login, enter the email address, button, and then sign in. This is our user page. If you add item, then click are you sure do you want to add this item in your cart. Okay, click then add to the my cart. If you buy now, this is my shopping bag. If you want to change more items, then change, and then show total prices, tips, and then select payment mode, and then click buy products. Are you sure do you want to buy this order? Okay, and then mapping back and click my orders. This is our previous shopping order. This is our currently by project. Its status is pending. Next, click logout button, and then you click admin login page. This is our admin login page. Enter admin login ID, password, admin, and then click admin login. This is our admin login dashboard. Home, add product, view products, view all orders, view pending orders, view delivery orders, view customers, and then log out. Total products 5, total customers is 4, total orders is 6. Add product. Then if you add the products for the admin, view products, then view the admin. Next, view all orders. This is our admin dashboard. First, home, add product, view products, view all orders, view pending orders, view delivery orders, view customers, and then log out. Total products 5, total customers 4, total orders and 6. If you add the product, then add product to the admin, view products. Then if you want to change, then edit or delete. Next, view all orders. Then this is our orders, view pending orders. This is our view delivery orders. This is delivered the products. View customers. If this is the customer, view all orders. This is view all orders. This is the final product of the deliver. If you click the deliver button, or change the product delivery status. Okay, no pending orders, view delivery orders. This is the deliver to the customers. And then log out, and then click home page. You enter the login user, this is deliver to the customers.